Wildcats, it's time to talk about the bandsaw. Isn't that wonderful? Let's first go over some of the parts. This is called the table. This is the table of the bandsaw. And this is the guard, or the guide, the guard of the table saw. And that guard should be adjusted so that it's about 1/4 inch above the material that you're cutting. So the table, the guard, and this is the on-off switch. The good news about the table, the bandsaw is it cuts super fast. The bad news about the bandsaw is it cuts really fast. So be careful when you're operating and always be aware of where your hands are. I like to think of it as a 2-inch circle of safety around the blade. My fingers never get closer than 2 inches to the blade. True story. Can I tell you a true story? I was working with a guy, his name was Wally. And Wally taught woods for like 30 years. And Wally, one day, doing the demonstration, cuts his fingers off in front of the class. How does a guy that does something for 30 years cut his fingers off? And the answer is complacency. And complacency is when you get lazy about safety. You've done something so many times, you start to get lazy about the safety part. So let's learn, now that we've learned the parts, let's learn about some of the safety steps.